Hey, my name is Alejandro Solorio and I'm here to show you how to install a temperature sensor inside of a refrigerator. Other than a refrigerator, what you'll need are at least 4 zip ties, some wire cutters, our temperature sensor with the Pro bottle. Now this is a glass bead bottle. We also have glycol solution should you prefer. Lastly, we'll need our app to add it to the system. So now that we have our unit, we want to locate placement. We don't want to put it in the top rack because it's next to the fan and it'll cause temperature swings, and we don't want to put it next to the door for that exact reason. So ideally, somewhere in the middle rack would be good. Now, we have product located here. What we want to do is move it out of the way so we have some working space. Now, what we don't want to do is leave the refrigeration door open for a long period of time because it's actively monitoring today, so we don't want to disrupt the flow, right? So I'm going to go ahead, get my bracket ready, but I'm going to go ahead and move the product inside there first. Simply adjusting the location and placement of what's available. Now we have a working space and area, right? So I'm taking my bracket, taking one zip tie and looping it through the back. Okay. Perfect, we're ready to go ahead and zip tie this to our rack here all the way in the back. Now, if it doesn't have anywhere to zip tie it through the back, what we can do is zip tie it across here. That actually works also to the bottom of the bracket too. So let's go ahead and put this guy in there. Great, so we got the bracket secured. I'm gonna close the refrigeration door again. Now, we're gonna take our bottle, put it in the bracket, and take another zip tie and secure our cord with that, okay? If you have things in front of you, again, just go ahead and adjust the placement. All right. Now the final piece is our sensor. However, before we put this in there, we need to activate it and turn it on. So to do that, we're gonna take our app and scan it in. Open up the camera, scan the code, boom. We'll fill out the details in just a second, but we wanna turn this guy on. So we're gonna press and hold the gray circle for about 5 seconds. The light's gonna come off. If you see a red light, it means it's searching for signal. Where we're gonna be okay is when we see a solid green light like that, it's connected and online. Take your last zip tie and the surface area without the hole, we're gonna slide in through that loop. The surface area with the hole, the opposite side, we're gonna actually insert the probe there. So see here, and then just secure it to the top rack. And then we're gonna just cut off our excess with our wire cutters. And now we're ready to begin monitoring remotely and get alerts when there's an out of range event. Thank you, have a great day.